guys, this is Crazy Bob. Today I want to talk to you about something that almost every BMW owner that's had a BMW for any amount of time is going to run into. And that's the big misfire, caution, drive cautiously message that you get on your iDrive system. Is it a problem? Yes. Should you drive moderately as the system tells you? Yes. Should you pull over, stop your car, wait a few minutes, and start your car again to see if it goes away? Yes, absolutely. Those are some things you really want to do. Should you, once the misfire warning went away and you're like, hey, it's running fine again, should you ignore and continue driving and then 3 months down the road it happens again? No. When you get a misfire warning, it's basically telling you one of your cylinders misfired. And so usually the message in the BMW that you'll get is drive moderately, drivetrain error. Now, it's impossible to know what that error is, so you would have to go to the hidden menu. There's plenty of videos on how to do that, by the way, on YouTube already, so I'm not going to make an extra one unless you guys give me some comments and tell me you want it. I'll do it. But in any case, go to the hidden menu in your BMW, and in the hidden menu, find the DTC code. This is the error code that caused that drive moderately error. So once you find that, find out if it's a misfire. Now, if it's a misfire, which is a very large population of the errors that you will get in a BMW, then what you have to do is you have to change your spark plugs. Great place to start, because chances are it's ignition related. So changing the spark plugs 9 out of 10 times will actually cure your issues. You'll be good to go. Use good quality iridium spark plugs and you'll be fine. Denso, NGK, whatever taste you like best. Now, the one thing you want to watch for is BMW, on almost all their models, uses individual coil packs. These are basically, if you're old school, you remember you had one big coil that went to your distributor. These are 8 little coils if you have an 8-cylinder, or 6 little coils if you have an inline 6. And those coils are directly the spark plug boot. So they sit directly on the spark plug. That's the second most likely cause to your problem. So if you looked in your hidden menu and let's say it said number 3 cylinder misfire. So what I would do, if it was my car, is I would change all 8 spark plugs. Chances are it's probably due, and I need to go ahead and change them. If my problem doesn't reoccur, problem solved. If the problem reoccurs within a short period of time, and I got a number 3 misfire again, then I would order a coil pack, which are fairly inexpensive. You can get them for around $30 to $50. I don't know that there's that great of a difference in brand. I usually stick to decent brand names, Denso, Bosch, that type of brand. So I think you'll be fine if you do that. Now, the one thing I want to put in as a disclaimer here, if you have 2 left hands, then you may not want to do this at all. Then you may want to just go ahead and once you get that malfunction, you may want to stop your car in a safe spot, wait 5 minutes, start it again. If the error's gone, take it to your nearest BMW dealership and have them do this. Because when you take a look at an engine, you'll find, hey, that's a complex machine right there. So changing the spark plugs on this isn't exactly candy. Not exactly brain surgery either, so stay tuned for my video on the spark plug change. If you search my channel, you should find it. So I just want you to know that if you don't feel confident doing this and you don't feel like you got the skills to do it, it's best to just spend the $150, $200, let somebody do it. But point of the story is, don't keep driving if you're getting a misfire error. Not a good thing. Even if it disappears, that means something's on the horizon. Either your spark plugs or your coil is going bad, which is never good for an engine. So, as always, thanks for watching Crazy Bob.